We created a Pulsar function using the Pulsar function API that reads in this user_config variable from our YAML file and uses the filter string to decide if the message should be output to the output topic or if it should be rejected, and basically we return a null value. This means that we're discarding some messages, and we'd probably like some way to log that those have been discarded, even though we aren't sending them over to the output topic. We can use that complete that using a logTopic. So after my jar file here, I'm going to add a new entry called logTopic, and I'm going to copy and paste one of these existing ones. So we're going to log to another topic inside of functiontenant function namespace, but I'm just going to call this functionLogTopic. So I'm going to import two additional items. One is the logger and the other is the Java collection that we're going to use to log information to our log topic. So after this filter string section, I'm going to also add the logger log, and we get that off of the context object, and we just say get logger. Then I also want to get the function name, so I can do string function name, ctx.getFunctionName. I also want the list of input topics, so collection input topics equals ctx.getInputTopics. So that's why we need the collection. And then for output topic, that's just one. We're going to get it off the context object as well, get output topic. Then inside of the else statement, before we return null, I'm going to send a log message over to our log topic. So log.info will send an info message over, and I'm going to say rejected message, and we'll just copy back the message that was the input to this process. And I can say from function, and we'll say function name. And maybe we want to say with filter to say what filter was being used. And then that would be my filter string. And then from topics, input topics. And then we'll say to topic and output topic. So we need to get two things uploaded. We need to create the new jar nar files. So let me create that here, maven clean install. And then we need to upload this jar file as well as the new YAML file, which has the log topic added to it. Now that we've updated the jar nar files, which we referenced the jar file, and the AccessUserConfigWithSDK YAML file has been updated with the log topic, let's now run pulsarctl functions update, and we'll test out our function again. I'm going to be creating a second consumer that allows us to access the log topic. So I'm going to say new Java class sn log consumer. And this is going to be identical to the original consumer with just a few changes. So for log consumer, change the name here. And then instead of just reading 10 messages, I'm going to say let this continue to run for up to 10,000 messages. And the topic we want to read from is functionlogtopic. So let me go ahead and start that log consumer first. I'll start the regular consumer for the output topic. We can actually make these go next to each other. And then I'm going to start the producer. Let me put this next to the consumer here. So we have all three running. So I can see from the producer I created 10 messages. One was written to the consumer, and 9, message 0, and then 2 through 9 wrote log messages to the log topic we specified.